Okay, so I am starting this video off today. It is currently Thursday, the day before we take off, and it's looking a little crowded. I don't know how we're gonna do it. We're gonna go, I'm waiting for Lisette now, and we're gonna go to Stephanie's house I can't talk, I'm stressing. I wasn't gonna film today at all, but I thought I'd share a little chaotic moment. We can't fit everything in our car. We had a little problem at the rental place, but yeah, so now we are gonna go to Stephanie's house. Let me turn this off. So I'm waiting for Lisette now, and we're gonna go to Stephanie's house to share the load because it's a lot, and yeah, it's all the food. So hopefully on the way back, you know, all that food will be gone and we don't have to bring back so much stuff. But right now it's not looking too good. It's very crowded. So yeah, I'm just waiting for Lisette now, and then we're gonna head off to Stephanie's house to share the load. So I don't know if I'm gonna film because we're gonna be figuring it out, but if anything, the next clip will be us on the road. So let's go.
The next day.
Okay, so the car is very full, but we're gonna go pick up Carla now. Got the peeps in the back. We all squished. I don't know if you can see them, but let's go.
Several song-filled hours later.
We got a licensed driver here. Where did they go? We can see.
They're waiting for me, huh?
Yeah. Look how packed, look how more packed we are.
Oh wait, they're not even in the car.
Oh, they're not? Okay.
Hours later.
We just got to the house. Look at the snow. I don't know. Hold on. Hold on tight, Spider Monkey.
These shoes have no grip.
Oh my god! My heart stopped. I almost slipped. I feel like this wood can't hold me.
I know.
It smells like home. I'm just kidding. Oh my god, it's nice and cozy. I love the top.
It's so cute. But where's the restroom though?
Oh shit. I think it's upstairs. Or what's this? Oh no.
It's upstairs.
There. Oh, down here, look. All the rooms are down here. Oh.
Why is that one?
Oh. The restroom's right here.
Why is that one open, Mary?
Which one? It's the rooms.
Hannah, we should have had a boy come in here first.
It's the bedroom.
Oh, I feel like a murderer's in. I'm gonna go first?
Yeah.
Bye, amiga.
No, please. I'm not gonna leave you.
Don't leave me.
It's all the rooms down here.
How cute.
I feel like I need to add light. What do I like? Look at the little cocinita. Oh, look at these wine glasses.
Where's Liz to clean?
I don't think she wants to come in. I thought that was a light.
No smoking, no vaping.
No vaping.
Chicken here, right?
Yeah, is it the things of it?
Yeah.
I was gonna say there's an owl, but it's a prop. Look, that's the grill.
Oh,
Good luck.
Shit. We need to get a shovel or
Good
something.
luck. There's shovels in the
I
thing.
think the master bedroom is only down here because all these doors are locked. Okay, there's
Which is my room?
Whichever one, and then one is Hector's. Cause we got the bunk beds.
so the bunk beds are
Okay,
upstairs.
so these. Oh, should they have an upstairs? This one looks bigger.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think that's where we're
Bigger,
sleeping.
huh?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna take this one.
Yeah, take it, cause it's just my brother by himself.
Hey man, I think I want this one.
Nah, I don't think he cares. Oh shit. Wait.
I can't put my backpack. Cleaned it.
So this is Steph's room. That closet though, it's cute. This is Hector's room.
Not my family.
Nice and cozy. Cozy?
What the fuck?
Nice and cozy. And then the restroom. The laundry room. Oh. Go upstairs. Upstairs is our room.
You guys should sanitize the
Handles.
stairs.
Carla sanitizing. This is our, oh, this is so cute. This is our room.
Big.
How do you put this up?
Oh, how cute are the bunk beds?
I call that bottom one. I call that bed. That big bed. What?
Which one?
This one. I'm gonna put my cat. This one's my bed.
This one. I want to take a picture right there.
True, huh?
Little TV area. They have games. Or do they? I like just say it. I'm like, I don't know.
And movies.
What is this table?
Oh, that cool chilling spot.
How pretty the view.
Oh, yeah, I gotta record this.
I want a picture right here. Look.
You guys gotta get out
I want a
of my
picture
face
here.
now. Yeah, I'm sorry. It's gonna go on my snap. But Marty, you gotta move.
Well, you better hold on because I was here first. Look at this view.
This is nice. I like it.
It's so pretty.
You done? That's not my shit.
The bottom. So we got Chef Carla in the kitchen. She's cutting them tomatoes. We got the chicken going. She making tinga. Steph's gonna make some rice.
I'm gonna make it like really fine, so you can like, you know?
We got some chefs in this house. What are you doing?
They should always make more room for the drinks.
Oh shit, I didn't even see that drawer there. That one that you opened. We got the dogs chilling. Look at Ollie, she's just enjoying the fire.
Oh, that's nice.
You enjoying the fire over here? How is it? Interesting.
Hi.
Look at that fire. Haley over here enjoying some chicken. Look at this view. All snowy and that grill for tomorrow. Haley eating that chicken. We got Ollie enjoying her little, what is that? A toy? Enjoying that fire.
Want garlic?
So I just realized this other view.
Hey, where's the sled?
Where the kitchen.
There's a little closet.
I'm down to go.
I'm telling you.
Me
I'm
too.
down. Right here.
Ollie said no yelling, please.
Oh look, it's right there. They're right there.
Yes.
There's two of them, I think.
I'm like, it'll be nice.
No, it's better if you get it from here in the front. Look, from there you get a good speed.
Hella, just go down the stairs with it.
I
You go down the stairs with it. Hector, did you get the Getaway that you left out there?
No, I let it freeze.
Did I call you Eric?
Did you?
I don't know. I have it on film. I'll find out.
Did everybody hear that?
Should we call you?
want to see how crazy you get.
She wants to do that.
Wow.
I want to see how crazy you get.
If I get it, I ain't doing it.
I ain't doing it either.
I hope you say go get out of jail.
Are you doing the room in
No,
Are you doing the room in touching each other?
look at the views.
Oh, the battery's dying.
That'll be funny.
I don't know if you're in focus.
That fool looks like she's dying, look.
That looks scary.
Oh my god.
That fool looks like she's dying.
That fool?
That's who's bad, not I, so they can't.
Hell no, that's the room you guys got. No.
Hey, you have glasses? She's in a coma, huh? Let me see.
In a coma?
But she got that new fridge, though.
Picture of me cooking.
You guys look like an old married couple.
Yeah.
Okay.
Divorced twice.
What got you guys back to? Wait, this interview changed.
The crucifix
Hey, this interview changed. So what got you guys back together 2 times?
for the kids.
Where are your kids?
Sleeping
Oh.
in college. Sleeping around in college.
Fucking dead. Sleeping around. Are we gonna go play or what?
Yeah. We add our picture for your nude in here, right?
Where's Lisette? She's right there. Oh my god, you were in my hair. Look. Can you see yourself? Look, it's even focusing on you like the little square. So I want to go play. They got the. What is it called? Switch. They got a Switch. Nintendo Switch. Nintendo. Nintendo Switch. I look red. I look burnt. I look sunburned.
I'm like, damn, you wouldn't notice that shit.
My eyes look low. Ew. This isn't me.
I can't wait for you to see it. Your own videos back.
Ew. Hell, I don't include anything.
Yeah, you better.
Look at how cool this is. They have ski. I can't
When
even
you
see.
look up, we see like a person just standing.
I know. It's till after. Look at how cool that is. The whole railing.
Okay, what do
I want to play Mario Kart.
let's go. You wanna get beat, son? Let's go.
Yeah. I mean, no.
Yeah.
Ew, looks nasty on here. Looks like gravy.
That's what I'm saying. Look like a shrimp cocktail. Oy.
Ollie! I thought you said the kids were asleep. You're a liar.
They wake up. I didn't say it wasn't.
They want the check.
They want their check. I'm still
Look at her
breastfeeding.
cute
That's why I'm
sweater.
drinking water now. Hey.
Are you showing off your sweater? Where is it from?
That swetter?
Yeah.
Fine.
I was fucking thinking that in my head.
She model. She's a
Nova.
She's a thick side, as you can tell.
Damn. Plus size section. Plus
She's
and
sporting the
curves.
size extra large.
That's it.
I know her. But this
Oh,
is
you're so cute. Can I have a hug? I want a hug.
You need a.
I
Something
want
like that.
a dog. I can tell Chilo to hurry up.
Take her.
We're supposed to get a dog from our cousin. He doesn't hurry up.
You've been saying like 5 years ago.
Right? They lagging.
She's like, we're waiting for that
No,
dog.
mom, man. I already had a dog.
You're gonna wait for that dog to knock on your door, like, hey, Mary, I'm here.
I know. So he got dropped off on my doorstep. Ollie.
Ollie, don't be rude.
She annoyed. Oh, she has mocos. She has moquitos. Her
She's like,
nose
don't
is
tell my
wet.
business.
She kind of smelly too. I'm just kidding.
Let me see, smell her paws now.
I don't want to smell them. They
smell
smell
like
like
cheese.
Fritos. Oh.
like snow and wood.
She's so spoiled.
Yeah, she is.
Peely!
Poor girl.
She got too close.
Billy,
She gonna roast.
she's gonna.
She's gonna knock down that camera. Like the way you knocked her down, she's gonna knock down you.
Damn those moves. She got better moves than me. Let's go, y'all. Y'all ready for this? Dun-dun-dun. Okay, so Steph's gonna show you guys this owl head that we were messing with when we were trying to do a little snowball fight earlier. It's forbidden. The outside is for. Oh, there's a light.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Look at that. Wait.
Look, it's real.
Hell
Watch
no.
that night. That shit looks creepy.
Is that not scary? And then look, it rotates by itself. That shit's fucking creepy.
Oh, Pete.
But look, we were playing with all this snow out here. Look at this. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. Look at how crispy this is. And then we were doing this. Oh, hell, look how stuck on there. He knows something's up. I mean, she knows something's up. What is it, Ollie? What is it? You sense that evilness, huh? What if I throw her a little snowball? Will she get mad at me?
Nah.
Okay. Really? She wants to play in the snow too.
Holly, what are you doing, girls? You're playing with snow? Come in.
I wonder what they think of it.
Watch those things just standing right there in the corner.
Who?
Something, I don't know. And you see those big ass horns and shit.
Mary! Yeah, where did we go last year?
For what?
Your birthday?
My house?
Many. Y'all like many.
Yosemite.
Okay, this, we all have it. It's like a little square and it has fuck. It's social media. It's social media. Hey Mary! Okay, listen to leave a review. Yes, we got it.
Hey, take that part out. Take that part out.
No, Mary, I saw that. It wasn't done yet.
You know what? But I said almost. I didn't say it was done.
I know, we were done.
But you were done.
Hey, who's America gonna be in charge of timing?
I know.
We're
still there?
That's fine. Please refer to another team member or else we have to
Time. She can call it time, but it still has like 10 million reasons.
I was the last fucking grade.
Okay, so I forgot we left this. Well, my brother left this Gatorade out because we're gonna test it since it's all, you know, snowy and stuff. I don't know if you guys can see. It's already dark. I just took some pictures of the sky. But yeah, we're gonna leave this Gatorade out and see if it freezes by tomorrow. It's already really cold. Oh. Okay. Yeah, let's see tomorrow.